Shahji was so pious, so pious. Wow. You know, I remember coming in once and I was late. I had to pick something up to bring here. And all the way through, I think I was about 15, 20 minutes late. And as I came through the door, as you come in, where we take our shoes off, and then we come to the door in the room, and they were sat reading at the Quran Park. As I came in and I looked at them, and I said, Assalamu alaikum.
Awaz.
And they...
Sounds good.
Good.
They said, they looked up at me and said, मैंने आज सबको late कर दिया. And everybody came in after I did, one by one, just delayed and late. But then words weren't taken lightly if you think of what he said then. मैंने आज सबको late कर दिया.
You see, everything he said had a meaning to them. Yeah. You know what I mean? Every word he obviously uttered had a deep meaning. Whether you understood it or not, but, you know, he was on another level, wasn't he?
His level was out of... I think he was beyond any level. If you truly ask me, he was beyond any level.